Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Docker Engine latest version on Kali Linux 2025.3. Okay, but the installation process is same on all Kali Linux 2025 versions. Okay, first open terminal, verify whether we have the Docker. Comes as the pre-installed application or not. Docker -- version. So you don't have Docker. Okay, Control A. Now open any web browser. Then go to Docker official website, that is docs.docker.com. Then click on manuals, then select Docker Engine, then select install. See here we don't have the Kali Linux. Okay, go to terminal, mod/etc os-release. See, its ID is like Debian. Okay, so select Debian. Also notice here version code name is Kali rolling. Later we need this one. Okay, now there are any older versions, we have to uninstall by running this command. So copy it, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, there are no packages. Okay, see here installation methods. See here we have different methods. I am going to install by using this Docker apt repository method. Click on it. And also see here, if you use a derivative distribution such as Kali Linux, you may need to substitute the part of this command that expected to be printed version. See here, in place of this version code, we have to give the Debian version numbers. Okay, we will come to this one in a bit. See, this is the apt repository method. So we have to run these commands one by one. Sudo apt update, hit enter. All packages are updated. Control A. Now install CS certificates and call. See, both are already new versions. Now install these keyrings. Download this. Now add repository to apt sources. See here, in place of this version code, we have to give this bookworm bullseye Trixie. Okay, so run this one, copy it, paste it. See here, code name is Kali rolling, but I am going to give, copy this entire command. 3 lines is a single command. So paste it, don't hit enter, just remove in quotations from dollar version code name. I am giving bookworm. Correct. Okay, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages again. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. All done. Control A. Now install Docker. See, if you want to install latest version, you have to run this command. If you want to install specific version, go to here. You have to run this command. I want to install latest version, so just click on this copy button. Then go to here, paste it, hit enter. See, it is installing Docker CE, means communication, CLI, containerd, Docker buildx plugin, Docker compose plugin. Okay, type A for confirmation, hit enter. See, now it is downloading the required Docker tools. We have successfully installed. Now verify the version. Docker -- version. See, we have installed Docker version 28.5. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of the Docker service. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker is installed, it is enabled and it is running. Quit. Now if it is not started, we have to start by running this command, sudo systemctl start Docker. Okay, now verify that installation is successful by running the hello world image. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully executed. Okay, see, this is the output of Docker image. Okay, Control A. The last option that I want to show is, see, if you run like Docker version, see, we have received permission denied error. Okay, so to avoid this error, we have to run sudo usermod -az, then group name Docker, then $user, which means current user. It is success now. But if we give sudo Docker version, see, we got more information. See, version number is 28.5.1. To avoid this one, we have to run sudo usermod -az, Docker is the group name, then $user. See, we are adding the current user to this Docker group. Hit enter, it is done. Then run the same without sudo. See, we got same error because we have to log off and log in back. Then we will not receive this error. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Docker Engine latest version, that is 28.5 on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.